morning, everybody. This is Callie with Jemminz, and today we are doing something really, really special. We are going to show you how I make the Akoya saltwater pearls. Now, here's a sampling of the pearls that are in your bath bombs, and I'm going to pull one out here, and we're going to see which one this is. Now, this will get into the mix of pearls that I've already made today. Let's see what we're going to. Oh, we're going to add a pretty blue one today, and this is how the bath bombs look like. They look like little pearls. I put a little bit of salt on the top with a little bit of glitter, so they're really pretty. And inside there is a color burst. Now, these color bursts are going to be absolutely beautiful when they open up. They're a mixture of colors, and I'll pull my bin over here so you can see some of the colors. I can't pull it all the way over, but there you go. So there's a mixture of the colors that are going to go in there, including the green that I just showed you. I have a few... And I have a few other colors. So we'll mix it up. Each of your bath bombs will either have 1 to 3 color bursts in them. I may add like a rainbow or more. It'll just depend on, you know, how much time I have and what I'm making and what's available. And then if you've never watched my how I make my bath bombs and the ingredients, if you go watch that video, it is up on the website, or not on the website, but it's here on the YouTube channel. So please go feel free to go get that recipe if you want to make them yourself, or if you're just interested in seeing what all ingredients are in there, because we do add a lot of really good ingredients. So inside the bowl here already was SLSA, which is my foaming agent. It's an all-natural product made of corn, so it's all natural. And then we have citric acid, baking soda, and cornstarch. So somebody asked me if I can at my vendor show if I can make my bath bombs with arrowroot. Yes, you just have to request it. If you put in the comments down below, hey, can you make these with with arrowroot, I'd be more than happy to do that. So just go ahead and put that in there. It's easy for me to make. I actually make it quite a bit. I have a few of my clients at my vendor shows that really, really love my bath bombs, but they want them with the arrowroot, so I do add that in there for them. I think it's just a nice courtesy thing for them. All right, we're going to sift this all together and mix it all up. Maybe my citric acid has been giving me fits. All right. Yes, I'm not wearing gloves today, but my hands are completely clean and scrubbed, and so you're going to get a good product here. I'm going to dump that in. I normally wouldn't do that, but the citric acid I got just is really thick and it doesn't want to go through my sift. So we'll just sift everything else. All this does, the reason why I sift my bath bombs is I just make sure that all the lumps are out, and it just helps me get rid of those lumps. So it's a really good thing for you guys to do too. All right, so let's keep going. You guys can't really see that, can you? I didn't realize it was like that. All right, see, and that's the reason why I do this. There's a little bit of an impurity in there, and I don't want that in there, so we're going to just put that aside and get rid of it. Let's put that down in there. There, I dumped it out. There. Put that back in there. All right, so now let's mix. We're going to mix this all together really, really good. This just helps make your bath bomb smooth. And make sure that there's no lumps in here. Also, it just really helps. And by mixing all your ingredients up, it just makes it easier to mix when you add your polysorbate and your water in. All right. For some reason, my chair got sunk down. Raise it back up again. There we go. Now I can work. All right, so there we go. So there's that. All right, we're going to top those off with these little crystals that have little glitter in them, and then we're going to add the embed in there. So let's add our polysorbate 80. Okay. This polysorbate 80 has gotten really super thick. I have to add some more to it. Come on, come on, come on. Takes a little bit. I meant to have this mixed up beforehand, but I didn't. So we'll just do it now. All right. And we'll add our water. I found that adding water to these bath bombs really do make them really super thick. So then we're going to mix this up. Now your polysorbate 80 is going to get really super thick in here, and you just want to keep mixing it because it will absorb the water. It just takes a little bit to happen. Just have to keep mixing. Usually if I have fragrance oil in here, it actually breaks it down a little better, but since I'm not doing this with fragrance oil, it takes a little bit of more time to mix up. There it goes. And see how it's puffing up here? Because it's soaking all that water up, and that's a good thing because that actually helps the bath bomb work better. I find that my bath bombs are turning out a whole lot better when this happens. Come on, mix up. Mix, 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 mix. And I found that it keeps the bath bomb from completely foaming up when I'm making them. So if you don't have polysorbate 80, definitely go get it. It's a natural product, naturally derived product, I should say. That's a better way to explain it. There we go. All right, so that's good. I'm going to set that aside. Whoops. Get this all mixed up. Break that polysorbate down into little pieces, and then we'll mix this all up. And then we'll make our bath bomb. Now your Akoya Pearl bath bombs will come with a saltwater pearl that has a 6mm to 8mm size. Your freshwater pearls will be anywhere from 5.5 is what I pulled out to almost 12. So you get some really big freshwater pearls in there. And I do have videos that talk about those pearls, so definitely go and check that out. This is a little bit on the dry side. I'm going to add just a little bit more. There we go. There we go. And when you're making your bath bombs, they should look like, you know, the kinetic sand. Yeah, this is sticking together really well. All right, there we go. All right, so I have, I'm gonna move these out of the way. Bring in a new tray. Where's my other tray? Where's my tray? Where's my tray? My tray disappeared on me. Oh, there they are. I forgot I moved them over to the new spot. All right, so I'm gonna put a paper towel down. My paper towel. All right, you can't see what I'm doing here, sorry, but I'm putting a paper towel down on that tray because it's not clean all the way, and I want to protect these bath bombs. Okay, so let's start building these bath bombs. Didn't realize I made a big batch, so let me grab my pearls, 2 more of them. So we'll grab 2 more pearls here. Just do this randomly. Take the first 2. Oh, there we go. So make a rainbow of pearls there. All right. All right, so what we're gonna do, put that out of the way, I don't need it anymore. Take our little crystal toppings. Actually, that might be a little bit too much. And then we're gonna pop some of that in there. Tap that down gently. We're gonna add the pearl to it. Now we're gonna add our color burst. Let's do this color, and let's add a bright pink. There we go. All right, now I'm going to add right on top and just gently tap it down. I'm not going to tap it down very hard, just very, very gently. And then we're just going to scoop this up, tap that down gently, and then we're just going to mash them together. Mash, mash, mash. Gentle mash. I'm not going to really do it hard, just enough to where they can come together. This will help keep them together and not fall apart like I've had happen. And then tap this out. Maybe. And there you go. All right, so let's turn this over. Can I get, nope, it's not going to tap out, so we'll tap this one out too. Maybe not. There we go. It's a minute for some reason. All right, and lay that over on the side here. You can't see where I'm laying it down. There we go. All right, let's add a couple more. Put that in there. Put our next pearl in there. And then let's do, actually, I think I'm going to use this because it'll be easier. Now these colors aren't going to make any sense. Like I said, I'm just randomly picking them up and putting them in here. Just gentle tap down. All right, let's have this in here. Mash it together. Loosen it up. There you go. There's our another one. Oh, not going to release. Tap, tap, tap. There we go. There's the other one. Okay, I'm going to save this on the tray. There we go. All right, let's do our last one here. Add our last one in here. And then let's do orange. Oops, I should have done that. And a little bit of teal. Put a big color burst in this one. All right. I'm going to set this outside. And as you can see, my table is really dirty because I have actually been making quite a bit of these lately. So we have been super busy making bath bombs. I do have 50 bath bombs available, so feel free to grab them up. And the more you purchase, the more chances of getting the pearl, getting even more prettier pearls. All right. Tap this together a little more. Oh, that did not feel good. Let's see what happened here. There's the top. And turn this over. I'm going to pull that together. No, still won't come off. And the other reason why I'm not wearing gloves while I'm making these is because the gloves I found, there it goes. The gloves I found don't, oh, it broke on me. But the gloves actually do, hold on a second. Gently press this together. This broke in half when I picked it up, so I'm just kind of molding it back together gently. Okay, so that'll sit on there and do nothing. Okay, so the reason why I, oh, now I forgot what I was going to say. Oh, that's the way it goes. Oh, well, no big deal. All right, so there you have it. There are our bath bombs. If I'm going to try and pick this tray up very gently so you can see them with the freshwater pearls in them. So there's just 3 of the many that I've already made. I have 50 of these bath bombs available, so please go get them. And these will sit for 24 hours and then we will release them. Turn this up. There you go. There you go. Got some big shipments in for our studio. We got a lot going on here. So there you go. There is our brand new bath bomb to our website. They are surprise bath bombs. Everybody kept asking me, Callie, can you make a surprise bath bomb? So that's exactly what I did. I looked at toys and I looked at a whole bunch of other things and I thought, you know what, I'm going to do pearls because I absolutely love pearls. And I got the inspiration from the Pearl Dude. He's here on YouTube, and if you haven't seen his videos, go check him out. Just type in Akoya saltwater pearls, and his pearl openings will open up. They offer jewelry and more. I will have the same on my website, but they have a much bigger selection, and I'm not quite sure if they hand make their jewelry or not. But anyway, go check him out. Pearl Dude is the name, and he gave me the inspiration for these pearls. I have been opening up pearls for a really, really long time. I absolutely love pearls. They're one of my favorite piece of jewelry. And I just thought, you know, well, do I want to add a toy or do I want to add a piece of jewelry? And I thought, you know what, I'm going to add the pearl, and then the person picking up the pearl can pick up, you know, their own jewelry that they want to put the pearl into, which you can get the wish cages pretty much everywhere. But I will also have them on my website too. I just haven't gotten them up there yet, but they're coming. So you'll have the availability of getting those also. And those items will ship separately because they ship directly from the warehouse, where the bath bombs are shipping from me directly because I hand make them. So they're here. So there you go. There are our Akoya saltwater bath bombs. They are available now on the website, so definitely go get them. I will have also some other items up there too. I've got some new aromatherapy products. I know I have a whole lot of aromatherapy products coming out. I have a men's line coming out, and the kids soaps are coming back into the shops now. And then just a whole bunch of other things that are happening in the studio. So go get those products, everybody. All right. So thank you so much for joining me today. It's been a really crazy day here in the studio. We are going to have pouring down rain today, so I wanted to get these done early before that rain hit, because I found that I can't make these while they're raining. That's the way it goes. So there you have it. All right, everybody. Thanks for joining me. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification button, and don't forget to share my videos and tell others about this videos. Thanks, everybody. Have a really great day. Bye.